Welcome to La Vida Rosa. I'm your host Pinky, and today I'm going to be showing you a few different styles using this wig from Thriving Hair. So if you'd like to see more, then just stay tuned. But before we begin, I would like for everyone to check out my website lavidarosastyle.com, where you can find cute accessories like the ones I'm wearing now. So make sure you check out that link down below. Add me on Instagram at _LaVidaRosa_, and don't forget to subscribe. And without further ado, let's get into this video.